Hello everyone, let's crochet this sunflower hair tie. For this project you will need yellow brown yarn, a crochet hook, scissor and a yarn needle and a hair elastic. Let's begin by magic ring. Insert your hook and chain 1. Now make 6 half double crochet in the magic ring. Yarn over, insert your hook in magic ring and pull the yarn from all the 3 loops. This is your half double crochet. We will make 6 half double crochet into the magic ring. This is third one. Pull out, yarn over, insert the hook and pull out from 3 loops. Pull out the yarn and now close the ring by making a slip stitch in the first half double crochet. Insert your hook in first half double crochet and make a slip stitch. Now chain 1 and make half double crochet increase. That means 2 half double crochet in every loop. We have total 6 loops. That's why we will get 12 half double crochet in total at the end. Now start making 2 half double crochet in one loop. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull out from 3 loops. Again yarn over, insert your hook, pull out from 3 loops. Follow this till the end. Now make your slip stitch in the first half double crochet. Insert your hook in the first half double crochet and pull out the yarn from the main loop and chain 1 and cut the yarn. This is your seed part, centered part. Now insert your hook in any one of the loop and take the yellow yarn and pull out the yarn and make 3 chains. We will hide the extra yarn part yarn while making the flower parts. Now we will make 2 half double crochet cluster. That means we will take yarn over, insert the hook, then again yarn over and insert the hook. Then in the end we will get 5 loops and we will pull out the yarn from all the 5 loops. This is the half double crochet cluster. We will make this, then we will chain 3. After that we will make a single crochet into the first chain, but that it in the back loop of the first chain. Then again we will going to make 3 chains and 3 chains and slip stitch into the next chain. Insert your hook into the next chain and slip stitch. Now we will repeat all this process 12 times. We will make total 12 petals. Then again chain 3 and make 2 half double crochet cluster. Pull out the yarn from all the 5 loops and then chain 3. If you feel it too faster or for better understanding you can pause the video. Then again make single crochet into the back loop of the first chain. Then chain 3 and make a slip stitch into the next stitch. This is our second petal. This is how we will make all the petals throughout. Follow and do let me know it is helpful for you or not, and what should be the next tutorial should I make. Do let me know in the comment section. And if you don't make this or found it hard but want to buy this, you can DM me on Instagram. I will tag my ID in the description. Now we will pause here and complete all the leaves and come back again. Now again make chain 3, then 2 half double crochets clustered in the same stitch. Then again pull out from all the loops. Make chain 3, single crochet in the first back loop of first chain, then again chain 3 and make a slip stitch in the next one. And now we will make one last petal by repeating the same process. That is chain 3, 2 half double crochet cluster, insert your hook, pull out, then yarn over, insert your hook, pull out, and pull from all the 5 loops. Then make 3 chain, okay, and make one single crochet in the back loop of first chain, then chain 3 and make a slip stitch in the very first stitch. Now we will chain 1 and cut the yarn. This is what exactly we will make. You can use the same tutorial to make a flower stem or bouquet type sunflower. Just attach another centered leafy part at the behind, using the same process that we use in the seed part. Then we will hide all the extra yarn in the back loops. We will not hide the centered yarn because we will use it to attach the sunflower on the hair tie elastic rubber band. Hiding the yarn gives the premium finish to your projects. Now we will cut all the extra part, and from the centered yarn we will attach it to the elastic. Place at the centered middle part and take a round of it, and now turn your uh, sunflower and insert your hook into the center. Take a yarn and pull out the yarn from the center. Tighten the yarn and now turn the project again and remove the yarn from another side of the elastic. Pull out the yarn from another side. This is how we will attach elastic to our sunflower. Now we will repeat this 2 to 3 times from different angles to make sure that elastic is tightened and stuck to this flower. Now again remove from the back side. Do exactly same way the way I am doing. You can also use a needle to uh, s- stick the yarn and elastic to the sunflower. If you are beginner, you can use needle. Now we will insert the hook from very centered part and remove the yarn. This is also we will do 2 times. This will make sure that our yarn will not come out when we cut the extra part. Our beautiful sunflower hair tie is ready now. If you like the tutorial, do like and comment and subscribe the channel. What next tutorial you want to see? Let me know in comment.